You soaping, bro? You soaping? You straight up soaping? So what am I? Oh, 3. You're a lifesaver, kid. Speaking of him, I wanted to remind you it's his dinner time. If you could get him his dog food from the basement. Right on it! I'm on it! I only need like 10 or something, and I really need them today, because the Harvest Festival. Take this, cock! Ah, my cock! Cock all over your face! Cock!
Mark, help! Mark!
I'll help you with my cock!
Stop following me around with a tube of cock.
Cock!
Stop!
Cock in your face. You'd think at the least go for an authentic look. Do they really think no one would notice that their Book of the Dead is Malibu? Oh no. Oh no. Malibu pink. Hi? Oh, didn't I do it for you? Didn't I do it? Didn't I? When all I did was for you. Uh-oh, is that a shot?
Was that the bite of 87? Wow. FNAF Riz.
Cock! 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 Cock!
Here's his flashlight. It's way far away from his body.
Look at me. You will see cock. Ah, fuck! Ah! I have a great ass and I'm not enough butter for my big honkin' toast. God damn it, I'm crying. Ron? 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 Ron! 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 Oh my God! What? Let me hack into my bitrate real quick. I'm getting into Twitch mainframe. Oh.
Yeah, I hacked the mainframe. It's fine.
Actually, that looks better.
There's nothing up. Well, if you have a phone camera, you can take a picture of his body.
Cock.
Hey, Mark.
Cock.
What are you trying to tell me, buddy? What is it? Did Timmy fall down the well? What's the matter, Lassie? You are really good at handling that cock.
For what purpose have you awoken Lynetta the Starspawn and brought about the end of reality?
You know, I'm gonna go with horny. It's below. I've wasted a lot of time, but I will not waste another second because that's not what I do. I'm efficient and I'm a killer. And I'm gonna kill every animatronic and I'm gonna deactivate every floor mopping child there is. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. That was really nice. I think they like me. I think they... God, I look over at chat and I just see make them goose cheeks clap and I realize how little hope there is left for the human species. I just realize... I have this lovely exchange with these people here and then I look over and someone makes me think about clapping goose ass and you know... What?
Alright, I got a picture of the idiot's dead body.
Cock.
I mean, our friend's dead body. I'll be right behind you. Don't want to make Mark wait around since he's all dead and stuff.
Vogue. Vogue. Is this okay? And it reads over my sloppy handwriting. I do hope I felt very much the same way after last encounter. Let me get at that. I'm fine.
You were lazy. Took you a long time to get this far. You can't have been trying very hard. You were reckless. You really didn't think things through, did you? It's a wonder you made it this far at all. You were stupid. Some might call it creativity. Most wouldn't. You tried a lot of ideas, but none of them were good. Basically, you're not a good person. And everything you've done is pointless. I guess this just isn't a very happy ending. But thanks for playing. Well, eat my whole ass! You think that you can just talk to me like that? No way in hell am I gonna tolerate any of that bullshit, because that's all that is 100% bullshit. Which it is, and which you are. So shut up, you shut in. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna kick your ass from here to Tuesday, which is 4 days from now. So frick you.
Oh. If I just, can you see the yaw? Yaw. So if anything, yaw, right in its gullet. So for quick release, pap. Whoa. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, what was I doing?
Pass. Very, I mean, I'm not considering, I'm just saying it's just like, this is not subtle. Pass. Smash. Ah, it's for babies. It's for babies. The puzzle for babies. I know what I'm doing. I'm no baby. I won't accept anything because I can't accept anything. What? All collectibles found. I don't accept any of this! I would never accept anything from anyone, ever! I know for a fact that I've missed things, and I will not be responsible for missing anything, not when it comes to Five Nights at Freddy's! Security breach!
Robert leans in and kisses me, the taste of whiskey burning my lips. I'm surprised at first, but slowly relaxes into his arms. He pulls away slightly, his lips barely brushing against my mouth. I am now. Oh, fuck, that's so smooth. I can't say anything, at best managing a sigh. Robert leans in again, kissing me harder. He pulls my bottom lip in between his teeth and bites slightly, sliding a hand under my shirt. My heart pounds in his chest, sorry, getting flustered.
This dread, it's like when I first met Lynetta. But this time it's sustained, like a state of constantly being breathless. Oh, I know what you mean! Smash. The very air has become unfamiliar and alien to me. Saturated with infinite malevolence, it is impossible to breathe. Smash. The veil has been pierced, and the outer cosmos has revealed its limitless cruelty in the form of this avatar of insidious implication. Smash.
I am getting a vague sense and understanding of my location, which is going to assist me greatly in finding a place to go fuck myself. Because I am lost. You know, sometimes I just say things in the hopes that they would actually happen. But see, even now, I'm like, oh, it would be great if Chica burst through those doors dramatically and killed me dead. But no, I just got dumbass over here doesn't know how to operate a push door. Oh, I'm sorry, is it too complicated for you? Can you not figure it out? This is sad. Oh man, it would sure be bad if I approached these doors and then they opened and Chica got me. Sure would be. That's baloney. That's ridiculous. Why do you look away? Don't. Unless your head's gone backwards. I don't know. Something like that. Wait a minute! How'd you do that? How did you do that? We're back in it, baby! I need to turn down my big bottom. My bottom got a little big there. And I need everyone to understand that that's not my true bottom. I encourage everyone to reach deep within themselves and access their true bottom. But in all honesty, I gotta be level with you guys. That ain't my true bottom. I gotta tune down my big bottom. It's not that big.
is what I'm trying to say. I gotta try to say. It's like, my bottom ain't that big. The power bottom.
And things as I'm already halfway up the makeshift dirt path. So when do I get to smooching? Anybody smoochable in here? That's a lot of shoes. I haven't missed any because I know I missed one.
Did I get the one behind the forklift? I definitely got it, right? I wouldn't have not gotten it. Next one's back here. Doodly 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 doodly, yay. Yippee! Good thing I've gotten it. And I haven't missed it. I got it. Yeah, I got it. I got it. I got it. Definitely. That's what I know, and that's what I learned. It doesn't matter if you get your face melted off, your balls blasted off, your legs turned inside out. You live for the smooch, you die for the smooch. And boy howdy, do I plan to. Bathroom? Huh? Danger? Danger? What if I just run blindly through everything? I'm running for it. Ah! Oh god. Okay, here I go. Ah! Well. I remember why I haven't played anything with an ice level or slippery floor in a long time. Because we agreed, all of us agreed that it was a terrible idea. Oh, thankfully it did this. Okay. I got this. Yeah. Well. Alright. Am I doing this wrong? Is there... okay. Yep. That makes sense. That makes sense. Alright. You know what doesn't make sense? Any of this. Any of this. Ha! You go find out about how many good ideas I have, like eating toast in the morning after we hang out. That's a good idea. All right, whatever the idea is in this room, of course it is. I was going to the kitchen. What am I an idiot for? Hey, remember that great idea I had? Have another one. Don't drink too much water more or less than 2 hours before the bed. You're gonna have to piss all over yourself. It's been a while, guys. It's hot. Anyway, what's up with you? What's up with you? What's up with you? Moral of the story is the boy is dead. Anyway.